5G or LTE not working on iPhone after the update? Hi there, this is Event. Here is how to fix 5G slow working or not working at all issues on iPhone. To fix your 5G, try out these advanced following settings on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your cellular data. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Cellular Data Network, scroll down, tap Reset Settings. After that, go back, scroll down to find the Wi-Fi Assist, toggle off this option. Now check if you still have issues. Follow the next process. Solution 2. Enable and disable network. From here, tap Network Selection. Turn off Automatic. Now turn it back on. After that, try to enable and disable airplane mode. Swipe from the top, now to enable airplane. Want for some time, now to turn off airplane mode on your iPhone. After that, check your network strength. Solution 3. Eject the SIM tray. Often rejecting your SIM card and reinserting your SIM card can boost your 5G, solve your issues, and help you strengthen your network connection. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Resetting your iPhone's network settings can help resolve network-related issues. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Note that this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so ensure you have them handy. If none of these steps solve 5G not working issues on iPhone, please let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.